What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to HERSTYLEZ TV. I'm back again. So of course we're doing a crochet braid style. So this time we're using the free tress braid, pre-fluffed. I think it was called deep twist or something like that. I think I've done a video of this hair before, but this time we're doing two colors, black and 1B30. And this hair came long, 24 inches, but when you fold it, it shortens it. So if you've seen one of my videos before, you know this is my go-to braid pattern. And yes, let's get started. So with this hair, because it's already big and poofy and fluffy, I made sure I really spread it out in the back. So if you like big poofy hair, this hair is for you. Give this hair a try. And I only had to loop it once because it was very textured. When you're using textured hair, you don't have to loop it that many times. So this time I only did one. And like I said, we're adding color. She wanted something froey, and this is the perfect hair for that. So just keep watching. Alright, so made it to the front. The back is all done. And for the front, she wanted the invisible knot method. So that's what I'm doing here. The invisible knot method, so you won't see the actual knot or loop of the crochet hair. I've done this before just on the area where my client was wearing the part, but she wanted it throughout the whole front. So whenever she part her hair, it will always be an invisible knot. So I'm just taking smaller pieces and doing the invisible knot method. And yeah, all right, keep watching. All right, so I'm all done, and you see how poofy and froey this hair is. I kind of was stretching it out because the ends were kind of drawn up when I was going throughout the hair. But we're gonna tame it a little bit with some mousse. I always recommend mousse. It doesn't matter any type of mousse that you use to help tame, like when your crochet's getting older and it's frizzy, you can use it for that as well to kind of tame it. And I always suggest doing sections, smaller sections, to tame it more. Now this hair, because it's already textured and poofy, the foam just worked a little bit. It kind of did tame the frizz, but it still was poofy because it's a textured fro type hair. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So now it's time to cut. She wanted to keep it, you know, a little long, not too short. So I'm kind of just evening it out and cutting the ends. Now for her, she is about 5'11", I think. So if you're shorter, this hair will be longer on you. So just keep that in mind if you try this hair. Like I said, I'm just doing the ends, so it's just a little shaping, and that's it. Alright, so I'm all done, just doing the little finishing touches. And of course, we have to get the edges. And I'm using my iStyles. I lay edges, excuse me. I lay edges edge control just to lay those little hairs that I didn't braid down. And like I said, we're coming to the end of the video. So if you like what you see, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Comment, would you be trying this hair? Do you like this hair? And follow me on Instagram and TikTok at HERSTYLEZ with the Z15. Also turn on that notification bell so you know when I drop a video. And all right, folks, I'll see you on the next one, and happy styling.